Hey everybody, welcome back. Miss Garnet here. So we're ready for our project. So this is part 1, lesson 12. This one actually shouldn't take very long. Um, it's pretty straightforward. Now you do have an activity guide, but it's pretty simple. So on level 2 bubble, you're just playing with an app, and you're being asked, what does the app do? What are the inputs? What are the outputs? What variables do you think would be necessary? What kind of conditional logic do you think would be necessary? How could a function be used? There's really no right or wrong answer. This is just your thoughts on the app, just looking at it. And it's something I want you to start thinking about, even when you're on your phone, and you've got apps that you're using, you might start thinking about, what variables were used here? What's being changed? What happens when I click the screen? Etc. Things like that. And there's one on level 3 as well. What does the app do? What are the inputs? What are the outputs? What's necessary? So we are on, let's see, I'm on level 2. Make sure you view level 1. It's just the overview. And again, all you're going to do here is run it. Obviously, there's looks like here I can enter my name. As you can see, my full name there. Yuck. What type of restaurant? What sounds good? Breakfast. Dollars per person. I'll change that to 5. Hello, Christine. It sounds like you want to eat a breakfast restaurant and spend $5 per person. I recommend Glow's Diner. Okay, so it looks like it's going to give you recommendations here. So you can play with this, click on it, see what happens when you change to Chinese. See how far can you go up in money? Looks like as far as I can go is 55. You get the idea. So play with it. You can't break it. Try to break it. See if you can, how far you can go on things, and then answer those questions. What does the app do? Inputs, outputs. How could a function be used? And you got this activity guide here. How that you need to answer. It's pretty straightforward. When you're finished with lesson 12, you're going to go on to lesson 13. And guys, I think lesson 13 and 14 are going to be together. Because in lesson 13, any day now, you're going to start creating the screens of an app. You're going to start from scratch. You're going to start the planning process, and all that stuff. So I'll probably put lesson 13 and 14 on the same assignment, just because they kind of go together. All right, so this is where you're starting to create those things, and now you're starting to test your app and submit it. So the next video that I make will talk about requirements of the app and the guide that you need to do. But this is just the starter. These 2 apps that I want you to look at are just get your wheels turning a little bit. So the code word for this video is no. Decision. The code word for this video is decision. There's a place to put that on your activity guide, so make sure you do that. Again, this lesson shouldn't take you really any more than 20, 25 minutes max if you just sit down and do it. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope everybody has a great day.